All right. Yeah, I think we're recording here.
We good? Yeah.
All right, so we're, what do we got going here,
Yeah.
Slasher?
She got thighs.
Yeah, all right, this is a She Got Thighs recipe.
She's got thighs.
Oh, yeah.
She got legs, no?
No,
that's-
she got legs.
Well,
got
this
thighs.
She's
this
got-
is a continuation of that.
All right,
That's
so
right.
we don't need much. All right, so
So we're going to do a little. We're going to do
chicken thighs.
a little something a little different with chicken thighs. We got the skin on here,
Yep,
and
those are bone in.
these are bone in, yeah.
Yep.
And
Yep.
I chose those because they're a little bigger, I think, when you get the skinless ones.
Yeah.
And so we're just going to pull the skin off of all of these.
Yep.
And we're not going to get rid of that.
Better not,
See
man.
that? We got a nice piece of skin.
Oh, we
there.
got
Something
skin.
with that.
Yeah, so we're going to set it right over
Yeah.
here in the frying pan.
Yep. Make some of those
Yeah,
Lay's chicken skins, right?
yeah. So
that
we'll
look
be
good.
doing this for a minute. Just taking
Alright.
all the skin off.
Move it.
Yep.
And we'll take care of those in a little bit.
Yeah,
So
we'll get back to
get the
that.
skin off.
Yeah,
Simple enough.
that's it.
And you can see we got the pit coming out of a long winter. Spring cleaning, having a nice little lunch today. Cool.
Yeah, a couple of times.
Whoa. Yep, that's all good. All right,
Coming down to the wire here. That's the last
all
one.
right. Got a lot of thighs here.
Slasher's very
Yeah.
talented.
Oh, baby.
Yeah,
Cool.
these are good
Martha's
ones.
thighs.
Yeah, these are good thighs, nice and fat. Okay, so we're gonna make
Now.
our little, we're gonna make our little mixture here. We'll use some mayonnaise.
All right,
Mayonnaise.
there you go.
Yep.
There we go.
Put a couple of globs in there, 2 or 3.
These are globs. They're not tablespoons.
How much is
Those
it?
are globs.
Yep. Glob is different than a tablespoon.
And then we take our poultry perfection.
Yep.
That's not open yet.
So there
Oh,
it
yes,
is.
yes.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Another glob.
That's it.
All for good measure.
There we
We
go.
throw in a little cayenne pepper.
Add the heat to the sweet.
Add a little heat. Then we take our spoon and we mix this up. Mix this right up.
Oh man. I'll tell you what. Perfect. It's a great topping for vanilla ice cream too, right?
There you go.
Yep. There you go. All right.
Mix it all up. And we take this great coating here, this
Got some
panko.
panko.
Yeah.
All right.
That's it. Then we take our chicken thigh, wipe the spoon off with it.
Yeah.
There we go. We should put that aside. And then just throw our thigh right in there.
Oh, man.
It's just like that. And we throw it right in the panko.
Is this rated PG or rated R? I don't
Oh,
know.
no, here.
Take that cover off.
Oh, yeah, here we
Yep.
go. Yeah, ready?
Take
All
that.
right. Got the grill set up.
And then we set one right on there.
Yep.
There you go.
And we're using the grill as like an oven, right? We got
Just
the
like an
heat
oven. Yep.
on one side.
Yep.
And we're going to place these chicken thighs opposite the hot coals, right? This way you can really control your temperature. Cool. All right. Simple enough. Told you it's going to be easy to do.
Yeah.
Man. And I thought they used to use whipped cream for thighs. Didn't they? But
Some people might.
oh, that's
Well,
that's the
mayonnaise-
porn version.
Well, mayonnaise is a good thing. It's
I
got
think so.
It's got eggs in it, right? Got an egg wash.
Yeah.
So another
Cool.
another one. We got a few here, so we got like 12 of them.
There we go. I think they get the picture.
That's it.
All right. Oh man, it smells good already. All right. Yep. And that. Nah, I won't show that.
This one got shortchanged, but I think it's.
You won't notice that. All right. All right.
There you go.
There you go. Perfect.
All right.
We got a grill temperature here. We want about 325 or so.
Four.
What's that?
The temperature.
To cook them?
Yeah.
425.
Oh yeah. We do 425.
Yep.
All right. We're going to do these at 425.
Yep.
They won't take long. All right. Put the cover on. Ooh. There it goes. Taking
All right.
forever.
You got it?
All right. Now,
All right. There we go.
the skins.
Yeah, those are skins.
You gotta do the skins.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Got the skins.
Oh man. All right. So we're just gonna
Just lay
coat the
'em on
bottom of the cast iron pan with some oil. Right.
just a little bit.
There we
Got a lot
go.
of fat in the skins already, so
Oh,
you know,
man.
put a little oil
They're gonna
on.
be crunchy good.
Oh yeah, come on, who doesn't love it?
So what do we got? Any seasoning on there?
Yeah.
Yes.
Go ahead.
Oh, you want to do? We'll do a little.
Little buffalo.
Yeah, just get a little
Gotta
sprinkle.
have the buffalo
Spring
here.
here.
A little bit.
You know, I might do some sweet Martha later. I'm just gonna
There
say
you
that
go.
right now.
Yep. Yep. Yeah. Yeah. Martha's got great
These could be
thighs.
Martha's,
Martha's got great thighs.
Martha's
There you
sisters.
go. All right.
All right. Wow, this is cool.
So-
Doing little layers here.
Okay.
There we go,
Can't
Jess. You
beat
want to put
that.
it on the fire?
Sweet Martha's.
Go ahead, Jess.
All right, here. You,
Perfect.
here, let me do. Do you want me to do? Here.
Put it on the fire.
All right.
All right, we'll put
A
it on
little
the
more
fire.
buffalo.
Oh, there we
There you
go.
go.
So. Cool.
These guys are dying.
All right. Put them on your convenient fire here. There we go.
There we go.
We know you guys are dying for these.
Cool.
For these sweet Martha's.
Oh yeah, it'll be good.
Skins and french fries.
Cool.
They're finally putting the use or force
I know.
12:30.
Fried chicken skin. Oh yeah. Woo. Here come the train.
That's sweet Martha right there.
That was good. I mean, you don't want to make a diet out of this.
Why not? What are you talking about? Life is short, man. Live it to the fullest. Cool. Very cool. Very cool.
This is like a treat. Like
Yep.
this
Yep.
is no better or no worse than pork rinds.
Oh no.
No, they
Chicken
said that
skins are
they
best.
think that the chicken skins are actually decent.
Yeah, definitely.
Did you put your stuff on here, Jess?
Yep.
Oh yeah. No, it's good.
to be down there on the bottom of the corner.
Why didn't they ever do that?
It's a
You
brand
know,
new place. Right in back of it. Right. I went there the other day.
in the U.S.
You
chicken
put it-
potato
put it-
chips.
Make your order.
Now, obviously, they've done
They ask you your name.
stories,
You cook it down.
you know,
They bring it over
but,
to you on a platter.
but
Maybe Kennedy now will start pushing that healthier food eating
yeah,
shit.
yep.
You ever been to Steak and Shake?
Yeah, I think they have them in Florida.
Oh man, look at this.
Yeah, I'm
Look at this here.
gonna go one time. That's
Look at that. Oh.
Do not want to leave, people.
Are you recording?
Yeah, get them to the.
Let me get it on this side. Enter.
Get them till they're a little stiff,
All right.
and then when
You want to cook them?
you lay them right on that
Yep.
paper towel, and they'll
Yep.
stiffen right up,
Oh Jesus
and they'll get
Christ.
real snappy.
Yeah.
Stiff thighs.
I think I saw a video on that.
Yeah.
This is a late night porn vid, I think, but there we go.
There you go.
Let these.
Let's check on these thighs.
Thighs.
Oh, that is beautiful, gorgeous, nice. Oh yeah. Treat them skins right.
Just getting ballpark.
A little hot sauce in there?
Oh yeah, yeah. Got it.
All right, watch this little trick here.
You are a genius.
Look at this trick here.
Why am I a genius?
Look at this, watch this. I got these beautiful thighs. And then you take a little hot sauce. Hot sauce. Put the hot sauce on there. Oh yeah, we eat so healthy here at the pit. We eat so healthy. Wait, you hear it? Hold on. Look, you hear that? My lord. Thank you, sweet Martha.
Some of the bigger
Oh.
companies still have the original mint packaging.
Oh yeah.
Crunchy.
In the past 6 years,
Of the whole family.
killing each other trying to get them in the stores.
Of course now.
All right.
All right, let's check this out. Oh yeah.
Yeah, these babies are ready.
Man, so we got an internal temperature here of about 165,
Yeah.
right? That's your goal when cooking your chicken thighs. Oh yeah, look at this. Look at that. Oh man,
Sweet thighs, slasher.
there you go. She's got thighs. It's a great recipe, check it out.
She's got thighs.
Yep. Just don't mention it to your girlfriend or your wife. They don't think it's funny when you talk about thighs.
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 Oh no,
We all like thighs.
we all like thighs.
Nothing like a good pair
Oh
of thick
man.
thighs.
Oh yeah. Cool. There we go.
Slasher,
So-
you're the man.
That's all a good man needs right there, man.
Yep. Pair of thighs, he's all set.
Yep.
That's it.
So,
Thank you, Martha.
yeah. Okay. That's it. Perfect. All right,
Yeah,
looks
as soon as
like
you
we're
take 'em out of
recording.
the oven, you let them cool for about 10-15 minutes. They
All
crunch.
right.
You know, they're like crunchy.
They
So,
absorb a lot of the,
All right.
the oils and the juice. It's really good.
so I say it's time to eat. Yeah. Lunch,
Yeah. Let's go.
right? And here you don't have to tip the waitress. Look at that. So help yourself, grab yourself a thigh. All right. We got some dipping sauces. We got a rub there. Gotta check this out. Oh man. Ooh-wee. Look at this. Oh my God. Look at that.
Not bad, huh?
There you go.
Not bad.
Just
Oh, you got to try this, folks.
Look at that scone. Tastes like scone. I like them just the way they are.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you got enough flavor? Oh, that mayonnaise rub. Oh,
Ouch.
There's some.
That's hot.
There's a little bit of spice in here too.
got a good vacuum.
High end.
Good stuff.
Damn.
Wow. Yeah, the panko absorbs up the oils a little bit, and it just crisps it up. Fills the
Boy.
moisture in.
Are you kidding me?
You got some nice thighs, Slasher. Just have to say.
She's got thighs.
Yes. Careful.
I don't wear a dress. Not at this point in my life, anyway. There was always Halloween.
Mm-hmm.
Very good. Thighs are the best.
Oh, that falls right off the bone. Wow. Damn, that's good.
Good. That was the tequila, I think. I'm gonna try that.
Right there. That's the tequila right here.
Yeah, that is, yeah.
I read where they're closing down Hooters.
Yeah,
What the heck? The world's going to hell.
they're going out. Yep. That's what we hear.
A lot of thighs there.
Man,
Yeah.
I'll tell you
A
what.
lot of thighs at Hooters.
They always say the Hooters is known for their wings.
Sorry, J-Dog.
Oh my God.
No, it's their thighs and their legs.
Yep.
You like that? Very good. No, you like that sauce? Yeah.
Very tender. So the next time you're looking for some thighs at your pit, no, that's not right. You can't say it like that.
The next time
You're looking for a
you're
recipe.
looking for a thigh recipe
There you
for
go.
your pit,
Chicken thighs.
check out barbecue
Pitboys.com. Thumbs up. All right, man. Stop by for lunch.
Don't mind us, we're not talking.
That mayo is the magic for
It
this.
really does a good job.
Very, very juicy.
And the panko too, like it
Mm-hmm.
absorbs it nicely.
Yep.
but
Yeah,
not
nothing
over-
dry
all
about
of
this
it.
at all.
No,
Yeah.
no.
Like you couldn't do breadcrumbs or anything like that because it would just like
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
dry be like the panko.
This is too good.